If you remove Bullnose the wrong way, you will get cut. Here's the safe way. The goal here is control, not speed, so the replacement goes clean. Before we start, a quick safety and method note. You'll want to wear safety glasses and protective gloves for this process, because metal Bullnose can be extremely sharp once it's exposed. Also, this demonstration applies only to mechanically fastened metal Bullnose. If you discover that the Bullnose is taped and mudded into the drywall, do not try to pry it off like this. You'll tear the drywall paper and create a much larger repair. I start by collapsing the center of the metal Bullnose with my drywall hammer. Hitting the middle pushes the edges out and up, which gives you a clean purchase point for a pry bar or the back of a drywall hatchet. I work my way down the entire length, focusing on getting those edges to pop up. If there's built-up mud blocking your view of the flange, use the back of your hammer to knock it away. Forcing a pry bar in blind is how people get cut. Once the edge is exposed, switch to your pry bar and free the opposite side. I always start at the top. I was just off camera here, but I removed the top nails first. With the end free, you can work your pry bar down the Bullnose, popping each nail out one at a time. If you start in the middle, you're fighting downward force on both sides of the fastener. Starting at the top or bottom keeps you in control and lets you peel it off clean, almost like a human can opener. I pry the metal just above or below each nail. That lifts the fastener enough to get a clean purchase. Once that first side is pried free, the Bullnose is only held by the opposite flange. I'm just off camera at the top left here, where I remove the first couple of nails to free the end. Now here's the payoff for doing one side first. With that flange already loose, I can control the metal with my left hand and gently pull it away from the wall while using my hammer to easily pry each nail loose. You can see how easily the nails come out. Just go nice and slow and never try to yank Bullnose away from the wall. That's how you lose control of the metal and end up getting cut. Please like and subscribe for more drywall-related content.